Welcome to Waredot support. How to install and activate RescueData. Open the Waredot download link that you have received on your email. Click on the green button Download Now. Software is getting downloaded. Double-click on the downloaded file. Select the language and press OK. Accept the license agreement and click Next. And click Install. Now follow the instructions on your computer screen. As RescueData software is open, click on the Activate on the top right. Fill in the details and the activation key that you have received on your email after purchase. Activation is done successfully. If you have any question, visit the support portal waredot.com/support.